we're going to go up to Settings, General Settings, and you have 3 tabs: Brightness, Network, and Internet. The first place you go is Internet. This card and this sign has already been changed to North America, but when you get your sign, it is possible that it may say China in the server type. If this is so, select Internet tab, go to the China drop-down menu, and select North America. Now you would click Set. Once you click Set, it will ask you to reboot your sign. If you want to do that, you would click OK. Because our sign is already connected, we're going to cancel this, and we're going to go back up and select our next tab, the Network tab. This is where you can choose to use the internal limited Wi-Fi that is a signal that comes off of your card inside your sign. It's already set to your sign number, and the password is 0 through 9, no spaces. This should always be set if you want to use LED Go and connect to your sign through the limited Wi-Fi or connecting a Ethernet cable from your card to your sign. If you want to connect your sign to internet, say your home internet or business or even a Wi-Fi hotspot, you would select the multi. And this is where you would enter your SSID. So mine would be Verizon, MiFi 8800. You see that? And it has to be entered exactly. Then you would put your password in exactly. You would hit Set. It will ask you if you want to reboot the terminal. For us, on this tutorial, I've already done it, so I'm just going to hit Cancel, but you would hit Yes if you wanted to do so. Now coming back, say you want to switch it back to your Wi-Fi coming off of your sign card and not your personal internet, you would just simply come back into LEDconfig, select the Network tab, and then select Simple. It would change it back to your sign ID and the password 0, 1 through 9 with no spaces. This is where you would hit Set and reboot your terminal. But for this tutorial, we're just going to cancel that out because we want it to be set. The third and final tab is Brightness. You can control the brightness of your sign through the Wi-Fi emitted from your card or by connecting a Ethernet cable from your computer to the sign network card. You can see it's on 30% brightness right now. So if I wanted to change it from 30% to 1%, I would just make the slider to the left and I would hit Set and the sign would change. It tells you that you've had success. If you want to take it back up to say 15, you could do so, hit Set, and now it's a little bit dimmer. Or take it all the way back up to where you had it before. The display switch, on and off, very simple. If you want to turn your display off, you just literally click the off button. It will automatically turn off your display. You want to turn it on, just click the on button and success. You've turned it back on. Off, success, and on, success.